What the? I'm Mike Hansel here, The Art of Tranquility. You gotta have a peaceful, blessed Sunday like I am. I'm out here in my garden. Call it heaven. Day after September 11th, September 12th, 2021. I'm in heaven right now. I just ran my numbers. I have $1,000 in bonsai trees to sell. I have a greenhouse. When it gets below 40 degrees, the trees will go in there. I'm aiming to sell at least 5 of them by winter time. Let's take on the hill, look on the hillside. Got the weeping willows over here just hanging out in the ground. Mulch walkway. Big bonsai trees. Got the bird's nest spruce. Alberta spruce Christmas tree with the gnome in there, just hanging out. It's a big Japanese boxwood garden bird's nest spruce, Japanese boxwood. This is actually a cherry blossom tree, Okiname. Back up to my garden display. Got the rock over there, the lime tree. Got the baby mugo pine, larger mugo pine, hardy hibiscus. We got our red pine over here. Got the paper mulberry. We got the eastern white pine and Mother Mary watching the garden. Also got surveillance systems too. Got all the trees up there hanging out. I'm selling trees right now, smaller ones for $10. Call me at 410-500-2785. Michael Hansel. Let's take a walk back up. Colorado blue spruce, Hinoki cypresses, big Hinoki cypress. Wow! Me and him like to kung fu fight each other. Got the baby bird's nest spruce next to the adult. They're miniature trees. There's a hardy hibiscus, American elm, slippery elm. These trees over here are only $10. For the larger ones, these are $25, $30, and $40. Take a look at my books over here. Show you some of my prices. Baby bird's nest spruce. These are the plants with the thunderstruck log. And then these are the little ones over here. Hardy hibiscus, American elm, slippery elms, 10, 10, 10. So I have some cheap plants if you guys know anybody. You can always send them my way. Feel free to text or call me. Contact me anytime if you want to stop by, see heaven. Feel free. Have a good, blessed Sunday, everybody.